I found myself again on a solo trip to Stuttgart, Germany. I had no expectations and knew very little about the city, except for its reputation as the home of Mercedes, Benz and Porsche. To my surprise, the city has more to offer than luxury automobiles. Here's why Stuttgart should be on your must-visit lists. Today, the city seamlessly blends old with new, traditional with cutting edge, and nature with industry. Stuttgart is the capital and largest city of the German state of Baden-Württemberg. Public transportation in Stuttgart is convenient. There are buses, underground trains, and trams. You can buy a single-day or multi-day ticket, a perfect pass to explore the entire city. Stuttgart offers abundance of green space within the city center. In the heart of it is the Schlossgarten, a park that spans over 150 hectares. These castle gardens have lagoons, fountains, and the new palace, which dates to the early 19th century. This is the perfect spot for picnics, bike rides, and people watching. Stuttgart is known for its rich cultural heritage, in particular its State Theater and State Gallery. It is also known for its Schillerplatz. It is a square in the old city center of Stuttgart named in the honor of the German poet, philosopher, historian, and dramatist Friedrich Schiller. Schillerplatz stands to the southwest of Stuttgart's main square. As to be expected, Stuttgart is home to the Mercedes-Benz and Porsche museums. Both offer the fascinating look at the history of these automobile giants and their impact on Stuttgart and Germany as a whole. Even non-car fanatics will find these museums really enjoyable. Here is the Württembergische Landesbibliothek. It is one of the two state libraries for Baden-Württemberg. It is specially devoted to the National Library of acquiring, cataloging, archiving, and provision of literature about Württemberg called Württembergica. The Solitude Castle is an architectural monument in the west of Stuttgart. Through an alley, the former pleasure palace of the Württemberg dukes and kings is connected to the former residence Schloss Ludwigsburg. The surrounding area offers a magnificent view. Solitude Castle is one of the few castles in Germany that have survived the centuries almost unchanged. Today, Solitude Castle is open for visits. It is one of the state's own monuments and is managed by the State Palaces and Gardens of Baden-Württemberg. The former pleasure castle is particularly popular with couples in love. There are plenty of civil weddings held within the vicinity of the castle. And before I'm going to end this video, allow me to say that life is full of wonder. Even if we are in the point in life where we cannot appreciate things, it sometimes helps to remember that there are really things to enjoy when we are ready. So let us seize every moment as they come, with open hearts and arms outstretched to embrace the possibilities that lie before us. This is Johnny's channel. Until my next travel, cheers!
Mm-hmm.